Insert some rage bait right here that'll make you get mad and want to listen to the rest of this video. Okay, moving on. The game we're going to talk about right now is called Dead as Disco. And if you love rhythm games and you love good beat 'em ups, this game brings the two together in a very great way. Now, this game has had playtest and a demo out for quite some time, but just recently it had a big update, bringing in some new Halloween themed content, updated custom song tools with a brand new visual editor, a new infinite disco arena, and 2 thriller themed dance moves. If you don't know what that is, that's Michael Jackson. If you don't know what that is, get out. On a serious note, nothing's funnier than Mama Say, Mama Sa, Mamaku-san, somebody with a flying mustard kick on beat. Did I mention even with the demo, you can play your own music? That is correct. You can get your own music, run it through the visual editor, and beat people up to 6, 7, I don't know, whatever it is the kids want to do. In any case, if you've never tried this demo, try it out. It's extremely fun. Let me know what you think in the comments or whatever.